cheetah girl going to the baseball field and singing praise to the Lord with the shirt.
So today we're going to be picking out the ugly outfits that I'm going to be using for tomorrow's shoot. The goal here today is getting the ugliest outfit possible. I really want people to be scared when they see the model tomorrow. What's the vision today? Is she going to like the Met Gala, Target, grocery store, divorce court? What's the vibe here today? What's the atmosphere?
She lost control of her life.
Okay, let's start with that. So basically me.
I hate flowers.
That looks ugly.
I know.
Hey, I like
Okay.
that. You guys, this. I got this from the thrift store. It was like
Yes.
$2. Oh yes, this is gonna work
Put it
great.
with the ugly skirt.
It's almost 2 in the morning. We've been mixing and matching outfits. I actually feel kind of bad putting the model in this tomorrow. But is it good enough? Is it up to our standards? I don't know. Let's see if any of my siblings are awake and see what they think. What do you guys
What, this is what you do now? When you're bored?
He's just eating cereal.
This is for tomorrow.
Yeah, you look so pretty. Pretty word. Jeez.
Pretty ugly.
Hassan, I'm wearing more clothes than you.
Self-confidence.
You know what? Eat your cereal in the dark, okay? That's what you get. Bye. So the consensus was, I think they liked the outfit. They liked it.
I liked it.
Yeah, they didn't say much, but they loved it. Probably needs to be uglier. Okay, let's go. So the first outfit reveal to my cousin and my brother went so well. I'm gonna show them this outfit. Yeah, I have high hopes for this one. This one's the one. They're gonna like it. What do you guys think, guys? Do you like
Oh,
it?
you look beautiful. So beautiful. You look like shit. Good shape, though.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
You know what? You're eating my cereal, so have some respect, okay?
You're not gonna wear that tomorrow, right?
Yo, it looks like she just bloomed out of like the forest.
You look like a garden right now.
All of my eyes hurt.
I mean, I'm killing it out here. Looking fashionable. I'm looking good. My confidence is sky high. I'm feeling great. I hate them. Let's go. They suck, man. What do they know about fashion, man? I bet does he even have a shirt?
I definitely wouldn't wear this outfit, but it's not 100% horrible.
100% horrible. It's like you threw her into a donation bin and that's what she came out with.
How ugly are you expecting this outfit to be?
Very, very ugly. Like, so embarrassed to even take pictures. So embarrassed to even like take one step out in the public. Ugly. Maybe even like a clown suit. I was just talking to your cousin and I was like, hopefully she doesn't give me a clown suit or anything.
If it's not really that ugly, are you gonna be disappointed?
Maybe, because that's the point of it. Jessica, we're supposed to have like an ugly clothes shoot, and if it's not that ugly, I'm gonna be a little sad. We might have to do it again. I don't know, I might have to start wearing ugly clothes after this. If it looks good, we'll see. Hey you guys, it's Sydney and I'm shooting with Jessica and we're gonna be shooting some ugly clothes. Let's see how this goes, okay?
We're gonna show Sydney the first outfit. Okay. Got a lot of textures and colors. What do you think? It's pretty ugly, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry.
Okay, is this the whole outfit or like one outfit or is these, are there two?
This is, I put the shirt underneath.
Oh, it's one outfit.
One
Oh,
outfit.
okay. Oh, okay. I don't think this is gonna be ugly enough, Jessica.
What? So it's gonna be this,
Oh wow.
like medical, saving lives. And then with that, we have this skirt.
Okay.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how ugly is this?
Yeah, I would say a 9 right now.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's do this.
Okay, guys. We'll do a big reveal right here, out in the open in public. That's the best way to do it. Just show the world what it is. Or what it's not, which is cute. Okay, let's go.
All right.
Sydney Sydney's officially.
This is the first bit.
Let's go.
I can't. Oh my gosh. Sweetie, I'm so sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god.
We're all judging this.
I don't know. Like, I feel like someone had a budget of like $5 at.
This kind of looks nice at the bottom. That's
Low key though, yeah. Yeah. Let's go show my mom. Oh, that's pretty.
It's supposed to be ugly, Mom. No, I like it. It's ugly cute. You know how fashion is like all these mixed of prints and things. So
I think we can start maybe like. I love how Sydney just like she's just walking around like.
It's a dress. Own it. How?
Okay, let me take out my camera real quick. Today I'm going to be using the 24-70 lens with my Mark IV, and I'm doing this because we really want the whole outfit to show. This is not photographing well already. It's just a lot going on. But we're going to make this work. Yeah, like right there. You're making this look cool. Okay. That's cool. Actually, that first pose, can you go back to that first pose? Yeah. Yes, that's beautiful. Yeah, I like the walking one actually. Let's do the walking one. There's something back here. Yeah. There you go. A little like softer jump, like that. Yeah, like that. Look from here. This challenge, I think, is really all about the model too. I think if you have an amazing model, they can work with what they have. Wait, what?
I was like,
Bend this elbow. That one, yeah, right there. Yeah, stay right there. Let's simplify it a little bit. Yes, just like that. Just to open it up a little bit more. And look in here. Where would you be going in this outfit? Like, where are we going?
I'd be getting on a plane because you know my luggage would be overweight, so I have nowhere else to put it. So I have to just wear.
That's you. Okay. I'm sweating out here. What's the
It
temp?
is kind of hot.
What is the
It's supposed to be
temperature? Like 50?
No, 50.
For Michigan, that's pretty warm. Let's be honest. Final recap on this outfit. Are you gonna be wearing this afterwards for an engagement, wedding? Are we gonna be seeing you in tagged pictures on Facebook, rocking this look?
No.
Okay, with that said, let's go. I think we're on the right track. Let's go.
This is so damn ugly.
Oh my god.
It actually kind of looks cute with the socks tucked underneath. So I was like, let me just put them over. It makes it look uglier.
So literally all your choices that you're trying to make ugly actually look amazing.
No, it's supposed to be bad reviews. You have to give me bad reviews.
How is this cute?
Okay, the blue is so cute though.
Yeah, but like she can wear a paper bag and it like I'm gonna buy that paper bag. You look like cheetah girl going to the baseball field and singing praise to the Lord with the shirt.
Was I supposed to put together like sweatpants and like a shirt? Because I feel like I wear that all the time. That's not. When you're trying to put together something that doesn't look good, it usually ends up looking good.
Yeah.
going on? I didn't. Okay, let's go. So far so good. I mean, the poses are great. We're working the outfit. The red tights are popping. I have no idea how I'm gonna color any of this, but we'll see.
So everyone's been staring, wondering what is she wearing. The funny thing is the little kids are actually amused. Like, I think I might be a style icon among the younger generation.
They're gonna remember you.
They're gonna remember
years from now.
So
They've been purposely walking slow past you, and their moms are like
uh-uh.
Jaden, come here, sweetie, and he's like, you know, he's like really taking a hard look at you.
Is that Zara?
All right, guys, so that's the end of the challenge. How was it overall? Which was your favorite outfit?
This one by far, because this was the ugliest, and I don't know, I like the primary colors, and I think the heels look cool with it too. It just makes it look really ugly. So I think y'all did a great job.
Yay!
Really good job.
Overall, you did an amazing job. The poses, on point. Even a basic location, I think the model will be able to work it with the posing.
Yeah.
Because a lot of it was on the posing. It can look like an ugly outfit, or it can look like a really cool picture with questionable clothing. We're just doing this for fun mostly, but also to show you guys that if you don't have a huge budget, you don't have super fancy clothes or a stylist, but you know, you can get whatever clothes you have. Go to a thrift shop. I thrifted a lot of these, and you know, put something together and make it work. Work with the model, direct them, and just do the best that you can. It doesn't always have to rely on just one thing, you know, like a super nice location. It doesn't always have to be a $50,000 dress or something, or like fancy hair and makeup. I think that's what we're really trying to showcase here, and have a little bit of fun too. You were an amazing sport. Thank you so much, Sydney.
Thank you.
You guys check her out on Instagram
at Sydney J. Harper.
And we would love to thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know which outfit you guys thought was the ugliest.
Yeah, let us know. I hope it's this one. Please be this one.
I thought the first one was bad. All right, guys. So we'll see you guys later. Bye.